Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make slime without glue and activator. First, you'll need just a few common household ingredients: cornstarch, dish soap, and water. Start by combining 1/4 cup of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of dish soap in a bowl. Stir these together really well until they form a thick, dough-like mixture. This is the base for your amazing, no-glue slime. It's super easy and fun to make. Now let's get that perfect slime texture. Gradually add water, 1 teaspoon at a time, mixing it in thoroughly after each addition. You're aiming for a stretchy, pliable consistency. Once you've added enough water, knead the mixture for several minutes. This helps develop its elasticity and makes it less sticky. Keep working it until it feels just right in your hands, not too wet and not too dry. Want to try some variations? You can experiment by substituting shampoo for dish soap to get a different feel and scent. For a pop of color, add a few drops of food coloring while mixing. Just remember to start with a small amount and add more if needed. To keep your slime fresh and playable for longer, always store it in an airtight container. This prevents it from drying out and keeps it ready for fun. Having trouble with your slime? If it's too sticky, simply add a small amount of cornstarch and knead it in until it reaches the desired consistency. On the other hand, if your slime feels too dry or crumbly, add a few drops of dish soap or water and mix well. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.